Today we bring you the Fury wake-up door handle. Suitable for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. You can take a look at it. Turn to the back. You can see that there are a lot of this 3M glue. This is pasted to our original door handle. You can see this adhesive aid. You can buy it yourself or not, because the international courier is not able to send sensitive types of items. We first went to the original car door handles after wiping clean. First use the door handle to compare the original car. See where it is located. In our box, you can see that there are many such accessories. Our hole is high and low. If your original door handle has an unlock button, we then need to use such a thin. If the original door handle does not have an unlock button, we'll use this high. We go first to go to the accessories to put this hole inside. Then look inside is not flat. Tear off 3M glue. Then stick it on the original door handle. And the other side. As you can see, this shape. This is placed vertically. Some people may take the wrong. For example, this can't install.